we finally left Dubrovnik on the 6th or 5th day of our stay in Makoshica, where we maintained and repaired 6 days. Okay, repaired our boat. So now we finally on the water, sailing away. Well, not sailing, we are motoring away. Yeah. So we did few upgrades to our boat. As I already mentioned, the biggest one, the longest one, was this new bumper. See, it's white and clean. Yeah, huge work. But now it's nicely sealed, replaced and nicely sealed. Okay, then we painted the bottom, but I will not be able to show it to you because it's on the bottom.
In the water?
In the water. So then look at this beautiful new spray hood. Kind of fits.
Which has an opening, center window is opening. So
Yeah,
you
the
get
window in the center, we rolled it down. So, and it's so clear. Oh my god.
Yeah.
We were not be able to see anything through the old one.
Yeah.
But the new one is just amazing. And now I'll go inside. We did few things inside as well.
It's very hot inside.
Yep. This is captain's desk. This is our new fruit and veggie hammock. So with lots of apples and vegetables inside already. So our fridge had a couple upgrades. One is thermostat that Alex installed. As you can see, the temperature outside is 30 degrees and temperature inside is 6 degrees, which is amazing. Last year we were not be able to hold it for long, but this year it keeps cold much nicer. And inside we applied this insulation. I will not hold it for long because we want to keep it cold and nice. Okay, now it works much better, and outside it's not even cold. It's cool a little bit, but it's not cold. Okay, what else did we do? Oh, this is our bedroom, ready for us to leave aboard for the next few weeks. Okay, and also motor. Alex installed new alternator. Actually, okay. So yeah, this is our boat, and this is us starting our vacation.
Sailing season.
Yeah, our sailing season.